Yen Constantino, thank you, Yen. O, diba? Baby, my baby. Jonah Vilay, thank you, my dearest. And of course, champion of your face on Media when I was hosting, Clarice. Thank you so much to all the leaders. And someone that made us feel so good about leading this business to you, your generation. Thank you, ladies. Salamat din po sa mga kapamilya natin dito sa Amerika dahil yung shows ko po sa August 8 to 9 sa Grayton Resort and Casino ay sold out na po, but I shall see you there. Thank you for getting your tickets and I will sing for you on the 8th and the 9th. And also sana po abangan ninyo ang teleserye ang aking pababalik po sa aking home station ng ABS-CBN. Sa teleserye po namin ni Miss Julia Montes, I'm singing praise for the 9th country to make this series. The first was Japan, second was Korea, and so on and so forth. Mga early next year po lalabas na Saving Grace. Thank you so much. Ngayon naman po, thank you. Happy birthday, Ogie! Sasamahan po ako ng dalawa sa pinakamahuhusay na divas ng ating buong bansa. At dalawa rin po nagkataon po sa pinakamamahal kong mga kaibigan. Would you please welcome once again the Divine Diva, Ms. Jasha Padilla, and Asian songwriter, Miss Regine Velasquez Alcacid.